Good day, and welcome to the latest news update. Brace yourselves for a deep dive into the unfolding events surrounding the recent Hurricane Hilary, the first hurricane to hit California in 84 years. In mid-August 2023, the headlines blared warnings of a catastrophic storm, Hurricane Hilary, barreling towards Southern California. The storm, fueled by a near-record amount of available water in the atmosphere, threatened to bring dangerous flooding and hazardous winds to coastal and inland regions, including San Diego and Los Angeles. A tropical storm warning was swiftly issued, bracing residents for the storm's arrival. The National Weather Service didn't mince words when they issued a Level 4, high-risk notice for flash flooding in the Southern California mountains and deserts. As the storm drew closer, residents in Palm Springs, one of the cities expected to be directly impacted, prepared for potential flooding. Over 22,000 sandbags were distributed to residents, and preparations were made for inevitable road closures and power outages. Then, the storm landed. The usually arid Southern California was drenched in heavy rainfall. The mountains to the east saw between 4 to 7 inches of rain, with isolated amounts of over 10 inches in some parts of Southern California. The Los Angeles River surged with floodwaters, and hundreds of flights were canceled. In a twist of events, the storm, initially designated a Category 4 hurricane, was downgraded to a tropical depression. However, this didn't lessen the storm's impact. The federal government deployed emergency teams and resources, and President Joe Biden urged people to take the storm seriously. Amidst the chaos, an unexpected 5.1 magnitude earthquake also occurred in Ojai, adding to the state's woes. Governor Gavin Newsom declared a state of emergency as the storm wreaked havoc, causing severe flooding and sweeping away roads. The storm, considered one of the worst to hit California in over a decade, also resulted in tragic loss of life in Mexico due to flash flooding. And thus, Hurricane Hilary, while rapidly losing tropical characteristics as it headed northward after landfall, left a significant rainfall footprint that continued with its remnants. In summary, Hurricane Hilary, the first hurricane to hit California in 84 years, brought unprecedented rainfall and flooding to Southern California. The storm, fueled by near-record levels of atmospheric water, demonstrated the power of nature and the increasing intensity of storms, believed to be a consequence of climate change. The storm's remnants continued to affect the region, serving as a stark reminder of the hurricane's impact. Stay safe, stay informed. That's all for today's news update.